Good morning, Sarah. Welcome. How are you feeling today?
Good morning, doctor. I've been feeling a bit tired lately, and I've had some headaches too.
I see. How long have you been experiencing these symptoms?
For about 2 weeks now. At first, I thought it was just stress from work, but it hasn't gone away.
That's good that you came in. Fatigue and headaches can have many causes. Let me ask you a few questions. Have you been sleeping well?
Not really. I've been staying up late and only getting about 5 hours of sleep each night.
That could definitely be a factor. Adults need 7 to 9 hours of sleep for proper rest. What about your diet? Have you been eating regular meals?
Honestly, I've been skipping breakfast most days and eating a lot of fast food.
Nutrition plays a huge role in how we feel. Skipping meals and eating processed food can lead to low energy and headaches. I'd recommend starting each day with a balanced breakfast. Some fruit, whole grains, and protein.
That makes sense. What else can I do?
I'd also suggest drinking more water throughout the day. Dehydration is a very common cause of headaches. Try to aim for at least 8 glasses a day.
I'll definitely try that. Should I be worried about anything serious?
Based on what you've told me, it sounds like lifestyle factors are the most likely cause. But let's do a quick blood test just to rule out anything else, like anemia or a vitamin deficiency.
Okay, that sounds like a good idea. Thank you, doctor.
You're very welcome, Sarah. Remember, good sleep, proper nutrition, and staying hydrated can make a world of difference. Let's follow up in 2 weeks after your test results come back.
I will. Thanks again for your help.
Take care, Sarah. See you soon.